Hello guys, my name is Viết Dũng and I'm a teacher from the IELTS workshop. So today I will be delivering answers in the speaking part 3 topic, advertising. So here are some of the questions that you may encounter in the test room. One, what are the most advertised products in your country? So there are several that I could list actually. Electronic devices and household appliances are the things I come across the most in TV commercials. Since our population is still growing, of course, household items will be in demand more and more. And there's also cosmetics and clothing items, which are also featured a lot in not only TV commercials, but also online advertisements. And a lot of women in my country place a high premium on their appearance, so I guess this is understandable. 2. Which is more effective, newspaper advertising or online advertising? I mean, it is hands down the latter. Newspapers have fallen out of favor with advertisers a long time ago due to their diminishing readership. Meanwhile, due to the seismic shift in people's preference for their news sources, online advertising is becoming increasingly effective. This is because people are getting more and more of their news from online news websites, social media, and so on, which gives them greater reach and influence than newspapers. And on top of that, thanks to the user data that they collect, social media platforms and websites could customize their ads to the individual user's interests and needs, greatly increasing their effectiveness. 3. What are the benefits of advertising? So from a business perspective, there's a multitude of them. The most obvious one would be a sales increase since your ads promote your products and services to people with a demand for them. Another advantage is that advertisements increase brand awareness in the eyes of consumers, presenting your products as high-end and quality, which gives you an edge over your competitors. There's also the benefit of gaining more customers. Since advertisements highlights the quality of your products, they could sway potential customers from buying from your competitors and choose your company instead. 4. What do you think of celebrity endorsements in advertising? Well, from a business standpoint, it's one of the best ways to advertise. Some celebrities have a huge sphere of influence and command a dedicated fan base. This means that when they endorse a product by using it, such as clothes, their fans would be willing to shell out a lot of money to look like or support their idols. Companies can get massive sales boosts from this. So economically speaking, celebrity endorsements are hugely advantageous. However, from an ethical standpoint, this advertising form could be immoral at times. A celebrity who does not have their fans' best interests in mind could blindly support bad products for the sake of money. And besides, since companies are taking advantage of fans' love for their idols, those fans could end up making impulsive purchases without actually needing the item. 5. Does advertising encourage us to buy things we don't need? In some instances, yes. Advertisements tend to paint a product in a positive light, but some even go as far as attaching certain values to products that evoke a temptation to purchase them from viewers. For example, iPhones have always been associated with wealth and trendiness, so whenever a new iPhone model is launched, some people would feel the urge to go buy it, even though the current model they have still works just fine. I guess this is because the ad just makes the product look so desirable. 6. What role does social media play in advertising? Well, social media allows marketers to target their ads more precisely. Data collection has enabled social media companies to understand their users' preferences and interests now more than ever. With that data, marketers can target their ads to the customers with the most interest in the products in a timely manner. This significantly increases the likelihood of people purchasing those products. So that was the end of my speaking sample. I hope that I was able to provide you guys with some useful vocabulary and ideas on this topic. Once again, I am Viết Dũng, a teacher from the IELTS workshop, and I will see you guys in the next video.